Thank you for the given opportunity. We are from URC Infotech, taking myself Anil Kumar TR, taking care of business development activities, and he is Mr. Guna, who is our functional consultant. In this session, I will start with the overview of the product, process flow, and overview of the product, and he will explain the module level process flow. If required, he will take through the module, take through the visual tour of our application. Okay, please feel free to stop at any time if you have any queries. We are 12 years old company offering specialized solutions for construction and healthcare industry. At present, we have 200 plus professionals, and we have our business operations in major cities of India like Chennai, Hyderabad, Cochin, and New Delhi. Apart from this, we have recently established our business operations in in Middle East, Malaysia, and Singapore, and Indonesia. Product. Now to speak about our product, Construction Information Management System, is CIMS, and is an ERP solution especially designed for construction industry. In the year 2002, we started developing software solution to support our business operations of our company, parent company URC Construction. To say about URC Construction, it's a 57-year-old company with a 600 crores of turnover, approximately 100 million US dollar turnover, with an experience of executing more than 600 projects. After the successful implementation at URCC, we start commercializing our commercial operation. We start our commercial operation, and we got an opportunity to work with NCC, Nagarjuna Construction Company Limited, one among the top 5 companies in India, construction companies in India. The experience at NCC helped us to a lot to understand the difference in the verticals of water, irrigation, mining, and power, etc. After the successful implementation launch at NCC, at present we are under AMC mode. We start our full-fledged marketing operation. Till now, we have close to 17 accounts. Here we can see the opportunities available in India for next 7 years, thanks to our planning commission. In order to utilizing this opportunity, we need to streamline our business process, but now we are facing challenges such as lack of visibility, MIS report not in time, no reliability of data. If you summarize this, not getting the right information on right time. An integrated information system is nothing but an ERP solution which is enabled to get the right information at the right time. Hope you all are aware about the ERP in generic name. In our construction industry, ERP means integration of the operations of 5 M's, namely man, material, money, and minute. SIMS. To take about SIMS, it's an ERP designed with the integration of these 5 M's. After understanding the market needs, we have developed the 10 modules shown here. First, business development module. It will take care of the all business development tendering process, business development process, reality sales and CRM operations. Taking care of sales, and it's taking care of sales and promotion activities, project costing and estimation. Will deal with the budgeting and scheduling. It integrated with the MSP and Primavera also. Billing and monitoring, taking care of labor, subcontract, billing, client invoice activities. Material management, all procurement and inventory operations taken care. Plant and machinery, taking care of usage of own and hired equipments. Form work, taking care of usage of sending materials. Human resources, employee management activities including payroll and all those things. Finance accounting. In finance accounting, we can integrate with the Tally, as well as we have our own financial module. It integrating all above business operations. Apart from this, we have environment, health and safety and quality, EHS and quality. Thank you, Doctor.